Hello guys, welcome back once again to my channel. This is Shades of Madi. Today we'll be designing something also simple and straightforward but yet catchy, a party flyer that I created. So I'll be dropping this file also in the link below. Please do well to watch the video to the end to get a password as usual, and please also subscribe to my channel. You can see I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. Please subscribe to get me more followers and more views, so I can keep creating this video, because this your subscription is what encourages me to create more videos. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's go straight to the video. You can see we have free PSD files here, so you can use free PSD file, 66 videos, that is 66 files for you to download for free. You can see these are premium designs, premium flyers, premium ones that you can't see online, but I give it to you guys for free. So let's go back to my channel and create something new. So what I did here was to create this. First of all, as usual, I use Ctrl N on my keyboard to create a new page, 1080 by 1350. Click on create. Now, if you are trying to create something and you don't want the background to move, you would lock it here. You can see lock this. Sorry, this is unlocked, right? If I do this, it will move. But if I do, I'm coming. But if I lock this here, it will not move. It will not move. So what I did here was to create a new page. Let me copy this image here. This image was gotten from Pinterest as usual. Pinterest is my #1 plug for nice images. I placed it here. Now, if you can see, this is a little bit dark. What I always do is to create a new layer above this image. With my foreground color set to black, I will use the gradient tool here to gently brush out this. You can see, gently, don't rush, gently brush it out like this. You can reduce the opacity if you want, something like this. Opacity, something like this. Then V on your keyboard to move. Then you can also duplicate it if you want. That is, if the background tree is also very bright and what you want to put there is not quite bright, also you can duplicate this type. But for this, I won't be duplicating it at all. So I'll bring my text here. You know how I got this now. This is very simple, like in my other videos I've been doing. So you bring this text here. Sorry, it's loading because I think I opened too many files. You can see. So let me go straight to this one, like this, to this one. It's just simple files, simple designs, simple ones. Let me give you a breakdown of how I got this. Ctrl C on your keyboard and Ctrl V, paste. Now, if you've watched my other videos, you will know how I got this particular design. As for this magic, you can see I click on my FX here. On my FX, you can see I am having a gradient overlay. You can see this at 0%. I have F7971E, and at 100% I have FFD200 for this. You can see the settings here: normal, opacity 100, gradient linear, angle 90. Then for my drop shadow, it's kind of tricky. I use the blend mode multiply, opacity 79, angle 90, distance 46, spread 4, size 68, noise 0. Then I now added another drop shadow also to make it have that depth. Opacity 26, distance 50, spread 0, size 100 for the shadow. So you will duplicate this particular magic text and remove all the shadow. So let me show you something here. So you can see, if I copy layer style and I paste layer style here, you can see to have the same stuff. So if I do like this, you can see, if I do like this, you can see is having that effect. That Friday effect is having that effect on it. That is, the text is overlapping. That is, the magic is behind the Friday. So this likewise, if I do it the other way around. So let me Control Z my keyboard. Control Z keyboard. So that was exactly how I got all this text. So now for this, this is a PNG that I used. It's very simple and straightforward. For this present, I duplicated this text here and I just changed the right up there. Now for this X Lounge, I used, I think, Montserrat Black for this font here. Now for the address, you can see I just used shape and I changed the color. You can see this is another shape. Just duplicate the shape and change the color, that's all. So it's very simple and straightforward. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thank you.